More mud daubers. Look at this up here.
Mud daubers.
Squish them.
Oh.
Squish.
Ooh, look at that.
I've pulled about 4 or 5 of these. There's another one down there. Can you see it? Another mud dauber.
Yep.
Yeah, they got busy on the buses while we're sitting. Okay, here's our tank right here. Notice it looks like this one.
Yep.
All right. So the air comes in here, then it comes out here, and this allows for debris and mostly moisture to settle out, and you can drain that out once in a while with this. Now these are on here so we could test it. So right here's where the bracket is that holds it on, and it's held on by a couple of hose clamps is all it takes. You can see the marks from it, and it festered here and then it rusted a hole in this tank. So I took this over to Mike Combs of the Twisted Steel Fab Shack, and then he welded this plate on and tested it for me and made sure we don't have any more air leaks. And it goes on the other side of this piece of frame right here. So we're gonna get this supported up. I'm gonna slide under with our tank. I'm gonna reattach it. I'm gonna re-hook the hoses back to it again. And then we'll fire it up, air it back up again, and then we use some soapy water. Oh, look, right inside there, there's another mud dauber in there working on his nest. You see it in there?
Yep.
No, in there, look. Inside there. You see it? Put the camera in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So they're in there having fun working on their thing. So we'll have to get a garden hose or something to blow it out. Look, there's another one right up there on top of this tank. You see it up there?
Yep. Look at that.
They're everywhere. Okay, so let me go get the jack. We'll get the jack underneath the frame of the bus and support it. And then I'll get something that I can lay on underneath there and slide up under there with the tools. And I'll put that tank back on, and then we'll recheck it again.